Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you also coming across connecting error on Telegram app after launching it on your Android phone? If yes, then this video tutorial will help you to troubleshoot the issue easily. So let's jump to the solutions. So first, what you need to do is to restart your phone. For that, just click on power and volume up button and now click on restart option. This will restart your phone once, and after that try to launch the Telegram app and then check if it fixes the issue. If not, next is to check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection or Wi-Fi network. If possible, then toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network connections. Also, you should try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and do vice versa, and after that check if the network connection is resolved or not. Next is to check the server status of the Telegram app. For that, you simply go to the web browser and search for Telegram server status and simply open Down Detector website, and after that you can see the server status of the app. If there is any server downtime, then wait for some time, and after that again try to check if the issue is fixed. Next is to restart the app. For that, you need to close the Telegram app completely. So if it's running in the background, simply close the app by clicking on the cross icon over here, and after that try to reopen the Telegram app and then see if it works. Next solution is to force stop Telegram app. For that, click on the Telegram icon over here and then click on I option over here. Now you can see force stop option. Simply click on it and then click on OK. After that, relaunch the app once again and then check if the connecting problem is resolved or not on your phone. If not, next solution is to clear the cache and data of Telegram app. For that, hold the Telegram icon for some time, then click on I icon over here, and after that click on storage and cache, and here you can see clear cache option. Simply click on it, and after that try to open the app and then check if it is working now without any further problem. Next solution is to update Telegram app. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Telegram app, and here you need to check if there is any update available. If any update is there, simply click on update option, and once your app is updated, now relaunch the app and check if the issue you are coming across while accessing Telegram app is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the Telegram app. For that, what you need to do is simply hold the Telegram icon on your phone, and after that click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall option. This will remove the app from your phone. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Telegram app, and here you need to install the Telegram app once again on your device. After you install the app, now log in to it using your phone number or other ways, and after that log into your app and check if the connecting problem is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that you can try to fix the connecting error on your Telegram app on your Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.